The PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike for adults is an impressive offering in the electric bicycle market, particularly for those who crave power without sacrificing style and functionality. This e-bike stands out due to its robust construction, powerful motor, and thoughtful features, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters and adventure seekers alike. At the heart of the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer is its 960W motor, which provides an exhilarating riding experience. This motor allows the bike to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is more than sufficient for both casual rides in more challenging terrains. Whether navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, the Boxer offers a smooth and responsive ride thanks to its powerful acceleration. The motor's efficiency also means that riders can expect a respectable range on a single charge, making it viable for longer trips without the constant worry of running out of battery. One of the standout features of this bike is its 48V 20AH battery. This lithium-ion battery is designed to provide long-lasting power, enabling riders to cover substantial distances up to 40 to 60 miles depending on the terrain and riding mode. With this kind of range, the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer is perfect for daily commutes, weekend adventures, or extended rides through scenic routes. The battery is also removable, which means you can conveniently charge it inside your home or office without having to bring the entire bike inside. The Boxer features a robust aluminum alloy frame that is not only lightweight but also incredibly sturdy. This construction helps the bike handle various terrains and weather conditions with ease. The frame design is sleek and modern, appealing to a wide range of riders. Additionally, the bike's geometry is well thought out, providing comfort during long rides, which is especially important for those who plan to use it regularly. Suspension is another crucial aspect of the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer, and it does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a front fork suspension system that absorbs bumps and shocks effectively, offering a smooth riding experience even on rough paths. Coupled with puncture-resistant tires, the Boxer ensures that riders can tackle obstacles without the fear of flats, which adds to the overall peace of mind while riding. Braking performance is vital for any bike, and the Boxer is fitted with front and rear disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power in various conditions. The brakes provide excellent modulation, giving riders confidence when navigating through traffic or descending steep hills. This is particularly important for new riders or those who are not accustomed to riding at higher speeds. The bike also boasts an intuitive LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and even a pedal assist level indicator. This feature is especially useful for riders who want to keep track of their performance and battery status on longer rides. The display is easy to read and enhances the overall riding experience, allowing riders to focus on the journey rather than fiddling with complicated settings. In terms of accessories, the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer comes equipped with an integrated LED headlight and taillight, ensuring visibility during low-light conditions. This is a thoughtful addition that enhances safety, making it an excellent choice for those who might ride early in the morning or after sunset. Furthermore, the bike includes a sturdy rear rack for carrying cargo or attaching a child seat, increasing its versatility. While the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer is packed with features and performs admirably, it is essential to note that it may not be the most lightweight option available. Weighing around 70 pounds, it can be a bit cumbersome for those who need to carry it upstairs or transport it frequently. However, this weight is a trade-off for the solid build and powerful components that make this e-bike such a joy to ride. In conclusion, the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike for adults is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, reliable, and stylish electric bike. With its impressive motor, long-lasting battery, robust construction, and thoughtful safety features, it caters to both daily commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. While its weight might be